Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial. Today we will be learning how to use all of the basic blocks. The basic blocks are the fundamental elements needed to create a program using a microbit. Learning how to use them is essential. First of all, click on the link in the description to open the coding page or enter the link in Google. Then click on the New Project button to make a new project. Name it whatever you like, but I'm not going to name the project. Now, if we ignore all of the other buttons on the left of the coding interface and click the button called Basic, you will see 9 code blocks in total. To show number, show LEDs, show icons, show string, clear screen, forever, on start, pause, and finally show arrow. The forever and on start blocks are the only 2 blocks that you start with when you make a new project. The forever loop block will repeat the function it contains until the program is stopped, while the on start block will execute the function it contains only once when the program is started. The show number block is one of the easy ones to understand. All it does is show a number that you put on the right side of the block. When playing in the preview, you will see that the number you entered will be printed out. The show string block, like the show number block, prints something on the screen, but instead of numbers, the show string block lets you print letters and words. The show LEDs block lets you draw anything you like in a 5x5 grid. When playing the preview, you will see your drawing on the microbit. The show icon block lets you select any drawing already made by the developers instead of making one on your own. It saves a lot of vertical space in the coding area, and it will of course draw the thing you selected onto the microbit. The clear screen block may look confusing, but actually it is not. In fact, it is the easiest basic block. All it does is turn off all LEDs on the microbit. The pause block will indeed pause the code for a set amount of time. By default, it is set to 100 milliseconds or 0.1 seconds. You can customize this duration to your liking. And finally, the final basic block called show arrow will show an arrow north, south, west, or east. In real life, a built-in compass in the microbit will show you the direction you chose. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and goodbye.